Ever wondered what it takes to master online product sales? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Mastering Online Product Sales, unlocking the secrets of success. In the fast-paced digital world we live in, the art of selling products online has become an indispensable part of any successful business strategy. The secret sauce? An effective product presentation. Picture this, an online store that's visually captivating, brimming with high-quality images and detailed descriptions that throw the spotlight on the unique features and benefits of your products. Now imagine the power of customer reviews and testimonials, the positive feedback that doesn't just build trust, but also boosts credibility and nudges potential buyers to hit that buy now button. But the game doesn't stop there. Enter the world of social media. Engaging with your audience, crafting compelling content, and running targeted ads to reel in potential customers. Your online presence is your ticket to creating brand loyalty and ramping up those sales. Another essential piece of the puzzle is the customer experience. A user-friendly website that's optimized for both desktop and mobile users, a simplified checkout process to keep cart abandonment at bay, and a variety of payment options to cater to all customer preferences. The final piece is the power of data analytics. By keeping track of your sales, studying customer behavior, and making decisions based on solid data, you're equipping yourself with a competitive edge. Use this information to fine-tune your marketing efforts and zero in on your ideal customer base more effectively. By adopting these strategies, you're not just selling products online, you're mastering the art. So stay ahead of the curve, adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape, and watch your sales soar. Thank you for lending your ears. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more insights that will take your online sales game to the next level.